Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So we are going to see Python tricks and tips. So first tip is, so whenever you are giving variable names, so when you are writing a program, you are giving variable names. So here it is one tip, write meaningful variable names. So it is a bad practice to give vague variable names such as X, Y, Z. So in your Python code, since they don't give you any information about their roles in the code. See, these are the vague variable names, means whatever the variable names you are giving X, Y, and Z. So these variable names are not telling their role. So that's why these are the vague variable names. So whenever you are giving variable names, it should be declarative. So declarative names means whatever the name you are going to give, so that name itself should tell its role. So that is called declarative variable names. So here also, so here you can add type hints also. You haven't given here type hints, so means when you are giving here type hints, then the person who is reading your code uh, or developing your existing code, so that person will understand what is the variable data type. So type hints also you can give, but here we have given, see here, so this is the common mistake we are doing. So x is equal to 10, y is equal to 5, z is equal to x plus y. So here this x, y, and z, whatever the numbers they are representing, so they are not telling what is the role of these numbers. For example, this 10 is representing, is it a roll number or products number? So what is its what this value is representing? It is, this variable name is not telling that, right? So whenever you are writing code, avoid giving such variable names. Then what should be your variable names? So you have to give variable names. For example, num underscore members. So means here this, whatever the number you are going to use, so this is telling members, so count of members, like that. This variable name is telling its role. And this is the type hint. You have given here colon and int, means it is telling that this is an integer variable. So this is the type hint also you can give. So because of this, your code readability improves. So here num guessed, so int you are giving type hint 5, means these are the numbers, total number of members. Then these are the guessed numbers. And what we are doing, so finally we are doing addition of these two numbers, so that's why it is num members plus num guess. So whenever you are writing variable name, keep in mind the variable name should not be x, y, z, a, b, c, like that. No, you have to give meaningful variable name, and it's whatever the variable name you are giving itself, it will tell what is the role of that variable. So whatever tip I have told you, so that we will see practically now. If I give here x is equal to 10, y is equal to 5, and then we are printing x, or we are taking here z is equal to x plus y, sorry, x plus y, and that we are printing on the console. So whatever this z value is coming, so we don't know what is the role of this z variable, then x, y, z. So now here you want to run this. So I have opened one terminal, and here you have to write python and name of the file. So it is 15. So it is giving us result, but these variable names are not telling what is their role. So instead of this, the recommended approach is so the recommended approach is num underscore members is equal to 10, and here we are using type hint, so colon int, then num guessed, type hint I am giving int, is equal to 5. Then sum I am taking, this is also int, is equal to num members plus num guessed, right? And finally we are printing this total count as our sum, right? So now here this is the code with meaningful variable names and type hint. So I will run this code now. So now this is the total count is 15, right? So if you observe this code and this code is meaningful, right? So it is the recommended approach, right? So if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video.